In the gloaming of the gloomy glen, where the soggy soul like streams again, there's a bumper shoot beneath the moon, and the quizzical quackers start to swoon. A rambunctious like murah in this flibbertibbit stroll. We'll have spun too late through neath the moon in a well-lit jig of endless seas, with a hankering for a hokum tale, with a dangle through the fairy trail, where the gobbledygook flows like a stream, in this whimsy of a wonder dream. Just like murah in this flibbertibbit stroll. We'll have squat too late through Zephyr's breeze in a well-lit jig of endless seas, with a hankering for a hokum tale, we've been dangled through the fairy trail, where the gobbledygook flows like a stream, in this whimsy of a wonder dream. Just like murah in this flibbertibbit stroll. We'll have squat too late through Zephyr's breeze in a well-lit jig of endless seas. A pandemonium of flummoxed fun. In this hullabaloo we have begun to ballyhoo with a tintinnabulation, a cacophony of jubilation, from the Lollapalooza of a zany night to the shenanigans in the twilight, with a jiggery pokery we'll spin and twirl, in this topsy-turvy whimsical world. Just like murah in this flibbertibbit stroll. We'll have squat too late through Zephyr's breeze in a whirling jig of endless seas. So let's saunter in this capricious land, with our hobnobbing hand in hand, through the bumbershoot beneath the moon in our nonsensical magical tune.
Rise and shine, 6 a.m. alarms blaring. Another day, another grind, ain't no time for comparing. Blue collar hustle, suit and tie struggle. Life's a daily battle, trying to stay out of trouble. Commuting through the traffic, dreams in the backpack. Clocking in and out, man, there's no looking back. Corporate ladder climbing, factory line grinding. Every day's a test, man, we just surviving. Working 9 to 5 just to stay alive. Living paycheck to paycheck, trying to thrive. In this concrete jungle, we hustle and strive. For the life we deserve, we will fight and drive. Boss on my back, deadline stacking high, but I keep on pushing, man, I ain't gonna lie. Burning midnight oil, dreaming of a better place. Feeling every second, every step in this race. From the janitor to the CEO, we all got dreams, we all got goals. Respect the grind, respect the toil. In this life, we all plant seeds in the soil. Working 9 to 5 just to stay alive. Living paycheck to paycheck, trying to thrive. In this concrete jungle, we hustle and strive. For the life we deserve, we will fight and drive. We are the heartbeat, the backbone, the core. From the boardroom to the shop floor, through the sweat and the tears, the long tough years, we keep on pushing. fears for the families we love, the futures we see. We keep on grinding, fighting to be free. Working 9 to 5 just to stay alive, living paycheck to paycheck, trying to thrive. In this concrete jungle we hustle and strive for the life we deserve. We will fight and drive. Boss on my back, deadline stacking high, but I keep on pushing, man, I ain't gonna lie. Burning midnight oil, dreaming of a better place, feeling every second, every step in this race. From the janitor to the CEO, we all got dreams, we all got goals. Respect the grind, respect the toil. In this life, we all plant seeds in the soil. Hear the heartbeat, the backbone, the core. From the boardroom to the
kaki. Wih, keras juga bang. Bang. Tembak lah, dua tembak.